guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Corinne and today is the 5th day of 12 days of Christmas, and today I'm going to be showing you the 5 ways to assemble your Maxi-Cosi Zelia 5-in-1 travel system. Let's do it. Just a little backstory on why I feel the need to create this video today. I was actually searching for a video like this when this travel system got purchased for me off my registry, and I could not find a video on how to assemble this stroller or the different ways to assemble this stroller. Like, I literally just had to figure it out, trial and error by myself. So I'm trying to save a mother all of what I had to go through and just show y'all how to do it. When you unbox your stroller, within your packaging should be 2 of these, and these are going to assist you in putting on your car seat to your stroller. Alrighty guys, this piece of the video may look a bit different from the rest of the video because I had to turn the flash on so that y'all could see. But if y'all were confused about where to put the attachments for the car seat onto the stroller, I just wanted to show y'all that they're labeled. So you see this L in the bottom left corner and then the L on the stroller. It's just telling you that this left piece goes in here and the right has an R on them, so they're both labeled. Attachments that we just had, you won't need to attach the bassinet because the bassinet already has 2 of its own already built into it. Alrighty guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you all have found this video helpful. If you can leave some likes and some comments down in the comment section, I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you all tomorrow for 12 Days of Christmas, Day 6. Bye guys. Bye.